What's up, you guys? I'm eating. Today's video is hopefully going to be a compilation of videos over time, and I don't know how long I'm going to film, but what I was planning to do, I was planning on growing an avocado plant. I know it's like I don't have enough plants, right? I want more. I have a pit, which I guess it's not the... I have a pit over here. It's pretty dry. Maybe I should have... Oh, maybe I should have done it right away. I don't know. The point is, when you cut the avocado, get the pit, and then you should follow certain rules that I'm gonna look at a video, and then you should put certain sticks so that it holds itself like kind of floating on the water. So up to here should be under the water, and then up to here like dry. And then I should also position it how it should be. I think that this is where the root should go. So like I will guide you through this process, and let's see if we're gonna even do something. Okay, so it says how to grow avocado tree from seed, or yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's do the 6 million views one.
Okay, so I've got her peeled. You can see
Okay.
right there.
The first step, I should peel this skin, and I'm probably not gonna be able to do it this dry, so let's make it wet. Okay, the first step is peeling it, and I already kind of started it here, if you can see. Let's peel it off. Yay! This is gonna take some time. Oh my god. Right. This is why I have another job. This is not my job. This is not my specialty. Yeah, this is gonna take like 3 hours basically. And it's very slippery. So apparently the skin is actually, you have to take off the skin because this is the thing that's not helping it grow. So it's hindering the growth. So it's like a wall. I don't know how to explain it. It love it how I move you. Not a said and done. You believe God is a woman. I mean, whatever her songs are, I don't care. But the voice is just like her voice caresses you. I don't know. It's amazing. Oh my god, it's going so slow. You see? But still so much to go. Even I'm bored. And here? How should it look like?
And you can actually see there's already a crack.
Yeah.
Along this.
I have a crack.
And
Yeah.
So this is the top.
That's the
Yeah,
top?
it's gonna be on the top. So take reference.
I literally thought it was different.
Yeah.
I literally thought this was the bottom and this was the top. I was wrong. I was wrong. Oh, there's a song I was wrong. That's not the song. It ain't that song. I was wrong. This one. It's from Vampire Diaries.
Last night we fell apart and broke to pieces. I was wrong. I was wrong. Yeah.
Okay.
So all we're gonna do is we're gonna take our
Wait, where'd I go?
avocado pit,
Bit.
toothpicks. There's
Toothpicks.
no part of this that's brain surgery at all. We take our avocado. Okay?
Yes. I don't know if you hear what he's saying, but basically it's... What did he say? So we need a toothpick, and we're gonna put it here, and I think it should be like on 3 of the thirds. So somewhere in the middle, I guess. And it should be at an angle so that you can dip it like this, so when everything's... It's gonna make sense. But like when you put everything around so that it just stays at a certain level, and so that we have this... Actually, no, this is the bottom. So the bottom should be, this is the top, and the bottom should be in the water. It shouldn't be reversed. Let me see.
Because I want this.
What is it?
I'm just gonna stick.
Is this the top or the pit? The top or the bottom? This is the bottom. I told you so. I knew it.
Go in at about 45-degree angle.
45-degree angle. Sorry.
Depending on how. Now get yourself a plastic drinking cup or a jar or anything that.
Why plastic? Don't use plastic.
There's two different choices.
Don't get yourself a plastic cup. Get a glass cup. No plastic. Right? That's the point, you know? Fill this up with water, change it frequently so that when it gets yellow, change it. Right? I think that's good. Okay, so apparently I'm done and we're just gonna need a couple of weeks to see some progress, like in 2, 3, 4 maybe weeks, I don't know, let's see, but I'm really excited. It's the day after the last recording and don't mind the mess, I literally just woke up. I haven't even like touched my hair, anything. This is how I am when I wake up. You're welcome. You're graced with my presence. I want to show you that it's raining. Oh, birdie. It's raining. See here? But what I actually want to show you is this. Now you're gonna see it a second. Yesterday I did not see anything, but today I actually see a crack. Let me show you. Where is it? Oh, okay, it's here. Let me do it like this. Do you see? Oh, you see how it's a crack. There's a crack. It's a crack. So I'm really happy about it, honestly. Really makes me happy. So probably something's going to happen or something's gonna get out very soon. It kind of looks like an egg, doesn't it? Okay, let's see an update. So this is exactly 1 week afterwards. Maybe I should put a bit more water. What do you think? Basically, changed the water once because it was really yellow. Not really, but it was yellow. And as you can see here down, maybe you can't actually see it. Here, like on the bottom, there's still something that I can't take off. And I tried as much as I could, but that's all that I could do. So 1 week, nothing's happening, nothing much at least. Still the same. These are the same cracks and everything that was there before. This is what I was telling you about. I couldn't really take it off. But yeah. So far, nothing is happening. Let's see. So they usually say that you need 4 weeks to see some progress. So hopefully it's gonna happen even earlier. Okay guys, week number 3, and I positioned it like this so you can see that there's teeny tiny bit of root. So it's so weird. So weird. See? It's coming out, yay! So it took me 3 weeks to actually have some results, and I guess I'm gonna have to keep it like that for the next 3-4 weeks. Okay, let's do the progress. This is week number 4, and as you can see, it's happening. It is. The problem is that I'm not gonna be here in the next 3 weeks. I'm gonna be away for work and I'm probably gonna miss out on most of the progress, and when I come back home, I guess that I'm gonna have like a proper plant or something like that. Let's see. I hope so, so fingers crossed. This is a 2-month update, so basically it's been 2 months since I first started tackling with my avocado plant or the pit, and this is how it looks like. And you know, it hasn't really grown that much. I have to say that the root is very long. But the plant itself takes a lot of time, which is fine. Seems healthy, seems everything is fine, and I'm still looking forward to seeing what's gonna happen in the following weeks, and I guess I'm gonna make a part 2 video, and hopefully I'm gonna have some leaves and have some plant actually planted in a pod. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen, but so far I've been enjoying it, and every time I would check on my plant if everything's fine. If you're one of those people that has this crazy idea, then I totally get you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and look out for part number 2, which is probably gonna be like 2 months or so. This whole thing took 2 months for me to film, which it was not difficult. The part filming was not difficult, it's just like the waiting part, which was like, oh, I want to see the results right away. But this is how it is with plants. You need to wait, you have to be patient. So until the next video, and have a nice day. My avocado plant.